Hey guys, this is Ronnie with Great Choice Audio Video, and today we are finishing up esports. We got all our Roku's online, account signed in, all the TVs playing. As you can see, it's playing some Great Choice Audio Video videos. Remember, like and subscribe down below. Keep following us for more videos. So let's go on to talk about our Universal MX990 remote. I don't know how well you can see that there, but I have an all TV button that's going to turn them all on and pick my audio for my main TV. Let's say I wanted to play music. We can actually Bluetooth, AirPlay everything if you're on the network from your mobile device. Along with that, so if we switch to this page, we got a Bluetooth selection, FM radio, and your AirPlay. We can do all kinds of different things with all these TVs, but the main thing we set up for them today was Roku, so they can stream multiple things. And then this one has a hard line that'll go to a computer that'll be near our rack area. So if we take a look at this rack area real fast, we have our Marantz SR5015. It says no Bluetooth connection right now, but don't worry about that. And then we got a few odd and end network pieces in here. We have a couple MRF350 base stations that'll help talk with our remote and all the TVs. And then we have our Zig pack so we get our audio off of our main TV. And then we have our subwoofer here. So it will fill this entire room. Go ahead and turn it around here. And you can see that this is a speaker craft. It's a 12-inch. So you can have, let's say you wanted to do a wireless kit. They have a wireless kit that sits on the back, and you can actually power it through the USB there, so you don't have to have taken up 2 ports of an outlet if you're not using a hard line. With it being so close for us, we're just hard lining it. But this particular one has a driver here, and then a driver on each side for passive. Let's turn that back around. And it looks like since the last time we were here, the guys kind of got the side of it dirty. I don't know how, but we'll try to wipe that off before we leave today. So let's just take a look at the remote here one more time. And it will do every TV individually, or you can control one in the middle. Very handy little remote. Can program it to do a lot of different things. So let's just hit an all off button, watch what it does. And it just turns everything off in a sequential order that I told it to. I wanted to go from the middle out, so that's the way it turns off. And we'll go ahead and turn it back on. Give it a second, and you'll see everything popping back in just a second. Battery's dying on my remote control.
Subwoofer that we're installing. We're actually doing 2 of them. They're replacements for the Choctaw,
and there you go. And it's all back onto the Roku's. Now, if you pay attention here, you can see how I can control the one in the middle. I'm going to do volume up and down.
And do your wireless transmitter, and it supplies you.
You can hit Netflix, hard button functions. And let's say without turning it off, you wanted to switch to control another TV. We can control TV 1, just like so. And you can see this is actually one of the first couple of videos we did down here at esports. And then let's say I want to switch to TV 5, which is the very last one down there. I just can switch to it, pick what I want to do, and it's going to play it. Y'all remember to like and subscribe down below, and have a great choice day. We'll see you next time, guys.